UC Science Islam Malaysia, USIM, is one of the public university in Malaysia. We introduced Microsoft Imaging Academy, Office 365, Skype for Business, and Microsoft Teams to our campus. Our students can self-learn from web or mobile applications, e-commerce websites, which are the tech tools for the business. Lecturers also can get resources from the Imaging Academy and use them in face-to-face learning.
When I get to class, I log on and then open Microsoft Teams. All the students do the same. This is because all the materials like slides, video, exercises, and assignments are uploaded in Teams.
Microsoft Teams allows me to discuss with my friends on assignments without having to face them physically at any time. When necessary, I can invite my lecturer to join in the conversation to ensure that assignment is as required.
The assignment feature is one of the best things about it because it reduces the rate of late assignments since we can monitor all the submissions. Submitted assignments are organized under each student profile. Marking assignments is also fun as we do not have to open other applications since Microsoft Teams has online versions of Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. We can communicate and collaborate very easily. I want my students to use Office 365 until they start working.
The one main reason why I like Office 365 is the online storage that are given to the students and the user. The second main reason is that I can install it into 5 devices.
I have Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Word, Excel, and OneDrive on my phone. In short, I have access to Microsoft apps all the time. For student activities and anything that benefit them and the entire campus, I will post in Yammer. The use of Yammer on campus is growing every semester. In future, I want to use Office 365 to supervise my final year project students and promote the tools for research teams. The features of Office 365 effectively enable research collaboration. And I think Power Apps and Power BI are two powerful tools for researchers.
USIM is moving towards campus smart digital. We want everyone on campus to use Microsoft solution. USIM is the best place where students can learn modern productivity skills.